welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome for coming and for being open to learning something new.
I'm ready.
Which is exactly what happened with me. So here we have the investing monologue. If you don't mind reading the quote here that I have.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm happy to. Stress comes from ignoring things that shouldn't be ignoring. I'm sorry, that you shouldn't be ignoring. My apologies. Let me read that one more time to make sure to really drive it home. Stress comes from ignoring the things that you shouldn't be ignoring. Would you like me to continue? Okay. Be stubborn on vision, but flexible on details. We can't be in survival mode. We have to be in growth mode.
As I am thinking about that, the first thing that I thought about was discipline. And with that comes everything after. So when it comes to discipline, I had to seriously look in the mirror every day, because that's the thing that I'm still doing it. Because that's the thing with mastering something, doesn't happen overnight. You have to keep doing it every day until you no longer have to do it because you know it's there. One thing that I learned that works a lot is writing things down. So what I've been doing lately is just I have this here, and it's to kind of pretty much write everything that I'm doing throughout the day.
Yep.
The investment plan that I'm trying to do, the stocks that I'm looking at. So writing things down is helping me a lot. Literally writing a plan for every day. You wake up 9:30, 8:30, 7:00, what you do, and then you go every hour to something different.
Yep.
That way you never have a downtime. Because that's the key here is not having any downtime.
No downtime. I like that.
So that's the thing that's helping me out as far as getting my discipline down. It's just every hour is something different. So as I was doing that, I had a curiosity about finances. I had money in the bank that was just literally sitting there. It wasn't a lot, but it was enough that it was just sitting there. And I wanted to do something about it. In December something, around then it's like when I started reading more about crypto.
Yep.
And from crypto, I mean, I already had a Robinhood account, so I kind of knew a little bit about stock, but it was very, very little.
Right.
I was very naive. I was just going with follow the money.
Follow the money.
And that was all I doing. That was all I was doing. And
Tell me about that real quick. Quick sidebar. Follow the money. What does that mean for you?
So, when I first went into the stock space, and the problem that I have, as many people have, is the reason why I was interested is because of the money.
Yep.
Not because of the actual space that you want to get into and what it is that you want.
Okay. So I'm just paraphrasing because I'm trying to understand. So you approached it from like the money making aspect, not so much like learning about stocks and finance and all that stuff.
So I just came kind of like, I have some money. What do you think I should invest it in? What do you think about this? But I never really had any research or background onto what I should be doing. It was just kind of like, hey, what do you think? What do you think? So the one thing that I always, this is before I know this, I always have this belief that you just gotta follow the trail. Follow the trail. So first of all, who's the person right now that's killing it with stocks and stuff like that? Of course, Warren Buffett.
Yep.
So Warren Buffett loves to talk. He's always dropping free game. You don't have to pay for no seminar. You don't have to do, I don't know why people pay for things that's free.
Right.
I don't. So the first thing that he said that really kind of changed my perspective was making money is an action, multiplying money is a knowledge. That right there turned my whole thinking about stocks. That told me, okay, I don't really care much about the money aspect in the sense that how much do they make? Oh man, they're making so much. Yes, that matters to the company that you invest in, but what do you know about the company? For example, if it's automotive for cars, you gotta know about cars. With investing, I've learned that you never stop learning. He goes, you express interest in that Chinese electric automaker. Understanding how electric fuel cell work is important. What type of automaker is using versus competitors. New developments and who manufactures their batteries. Panasonic makes Tesla's batteries. So we all know Panasonic. Panasonic is.
Yep.
It's been around forever. It really all depends on you, the individual, on how much you value your money, because that's kind of how it is. It's like, I'm putting money on this company. Let me really find out what they're about. So Tesla's a big company.
Yep.
We know who's behind it.
Yep.
We know what he does. We know his. So we know that investing in Tesla is kind of easy. No matter how expensive it is, you're still gonna make some money because it's gonna keep going up. It's never about owning a stock. It's just let's think about it like a big band. Excuse me. and it's filled with people. You just gotta get on. Just make sure you get in there because everybody's gonna get to the destination. Don't worry about sitting at the front. Just get in because right now,
I love that.
Again, it's all about getting there. And I believe in Tesla, and I believe in it, and everybody does. That's the thing. Because whatever, for example, he just tweeted, use Signal. Again, he says something, boom.
Yep.
In the cryptocurrency world, he said Dodge.
Yep.
Which is
Dogecoin.
Dogecoin.
Yep.
Boom, it had a huge spike. So the power that he has in finance is real. Yeah.
We can spend hours just talking about Elon Musk, but I won't derail the conversation.
Well, that's the thing, because you can literally just go, if you want to invest in stocks, you can invest in different stocks, or you can just not go in on Tesla, but there's so many things that he owns, you can just go in on Elon. So, since we're here, let's just break this down.
Yeah, let's do it.
So, to break this down, when I say that I own, when you see the number down here, that means the amount of shares that I own for the company. It lets you know the cost, or how much I got it at first. Value of it right now is $9.29, so that lets you know that I'm losing money, and lets you know that the return so far has been negative $5.18.
Okay.
So Robinhood, if you want to know more about this company, you can read more here and read the summary that they have. So it lets you know what the stock is about.
Gotcha. Okay. So it's a pharmaceutical company.
Yep.
Right. That's about all I need to know.
Right. So basically,
right.
Now this is the part. This is a really interesting part that you really have to pay attention when you want to know more about stocks.
Market cap. Okay.
Okay.
1.62 billion.
Right.
Okay.
So you know that this company, okay, they have money.
Yes.
Next thing you want to know is, who is this dude? You want to know who he is. You want to know his other stuff that he's working on.
Is he a douchebag?
Is he a fan?
Yep.
His company is successful. Is he a failure? Is he so again, this call about research about how much you want to do. Then the good thing you always want to look at is when it was founded. So it's been around for a while, so this is always good. People may see this and then go, oh, but you're losing money. I'm not here just to make money right away, because that's the thing with companies. It could be this, I could be this right now, and then a couple of days I can just go whoop, all the way up here.
Yep.
So the thing with stocks is you just gotta be patient. My favorite phrase is, be patiently aggressive. When you know, let's say for example you read 3 articles about this company, and you don't find something negative based on what you know what to find.
Yep.
You just gotta go and put as much as you can. Not all of the boy. All right, this company here. If Elon, Warren Buffett be like, hey, this company, like they're saying Signal, or it is. When you hear something like that, you gotta go.
Jump on it right away.
Yeah, you want some blue chips. Blue chips are like Tesla, Apple, Microsoft, the big dudes.
The bangers, the pillars.
Yeah, you definitely want to have some money because again, you know they're gonna keep going up. But if you want a stock to keep steady and kind of jump from time to time, you want one of these companies right here that a lot of people don't know about.
And the wild card, that'll just kind of help your entire portfolio.
It just came out today.
Yep.
I like this.
Motley Fool.
It's legit. Good information.
Fool.com. What an amazing URL.
This is one of the stuff you definitely want to look for whenever a company gets granted that. That's always good.
Oh, wow. Okay. Right. Rigid, flexible printed circuit board fabrication using inkjet printing, according to the U.S. patent file.
Once you find your team, it all depends on what you want to do with stocks. Do you want to just go the short game or the long game? Meaning, short game is people that wait for stock like this to rise and sell, or they sit on for years, 3 to 4 or 5 years, because they know they're gonna keep going. I want to show you an example as far as what I mean by that.
Okay, perfect.
Let's look at Tesla, for example, a very company that we all know about. So this is one of my biggest investments. People, man, that's a lot of money for Tesla. I was like, yeah, that's how much I believe. That's how much I could say. This is the much I can give.
Right.
And this is a lot for one stock.
Right. So, right, but also it's not like you're buying a little bitty. You're buying Tesla stock. And
I've already made 150 profit.
Boom.
Even though it's jobs and everything, it's just it's part of the game that this things to happen. If we go here to 5-year plan with Tesla, this is how much it was.
Oh my God.
So April
2016.
Right. So this is the thing. This is what people sometimes don't understand with companies that they need to. This is what the long game, I like the long game, is that it could be like this for a year or two. 40, 30, 40, 2 years, 50. And that's when people start getting impatient, going, fuck this, I want to sell.
Yeah.
Oh, all right, cool, sell. So, damn. Some people are like, oh, damn, they were right. I want to sell again. All right, let's sell. So it all depends on you. Just to go back to discipline. So now, we started from 2015. We're 4 years in. You're going, damn, my discipline's getting tested.
Yeah.
But you know it's Tesla.
Right.
So that's why it doesn't matter. And then all it takes is just 1 year and it explodes. Boom.